Yeah, hello viewers. Today I'm going to be doing a typing sample on my possible 70s or 80s Brother Deluxe 660 TR correction manual typewriter. Now what I just used was this Tipex pen. It's a good Tipex pen. It's a Pantel Micro advanced formula with a needle point precision corrector. It's really good for typewriters. So this typewriter has touch type adjustment. This has touch type control. On the left you have a lever for setting and clearing tabs. You move it for setting it. You can probably hear it working there. Then you can clear it by moving the lever up. You have on the right you have the lever for changing the colours. It says that black, grey and white, but I've got a red and black ribbon. Black is black. Grey is nothing. White, in this case, is red. This is where I shall conclude the video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this inspires you to get a Brother Deluxe 660 TR correction manual typewriter. This was made in Japan, by the way. Great stuff has came out of there.